Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we have got something really fun to unbox and try out. It is the salt and gummy jelly maker, and if you ever wanted to make your own gummies or jelly snacks at home, this could be the gadget for you. Let's dive right in. So here we have the box. It says lots of details about this product, and it says this makes very amazing gummy jelly candies at home, and the process for making gummy candies is really simple and really easy. The box for this machine is so colorful and so lovely. I am already in love with all the colors and shapes for these gummy candies. So let's get this box open and see what we got inside. So first we got a mini instruction booklet, and I'm taking all the contacts out of the box and we'll see one by one each thing that what we got inside. So here we have one container that we will use to put some ice in it. So this container is red in color and it's made of plastic, and I'm just unwrapping all the containers, and once I unwrap everything, after that we will assemble this product. And here we got some amazing molds. This is the snake shape, like worm shaped mold, and that's like kind of key look. And we also got one star shaped mold and also one heart shaped mold, and these molds are made of silicone. While I'm unwrapping everything, please don't forget to press that subscribe button. And here we have the heating pot that we're gonna use to put our all the ingredients to make our yummy gummy candies. And this is the main machine that we're gonna use, and here we have the like power button, and it is like some like stainless steel thing inside it, and this thing used to make this gummy candies amazing. So I will use this today and I will show you how to make some amazing gummy candies at home. I am super excited about this one because I have seen lots of different candy makers out there, and this one promises to let you create your own gummies. So it sounds like a fun little kitchen product. Okay, here we go. I already assembled it. It's super simple to assemble all the containers and put everything on their own place. So just put all the silicone molds on the top of the containers. So we have the machine all assembled, and which looks like very cute little candy maker machine, and it also feels lightweight, but it has a sturdy plastic build. So I am really impressed to see that. So here how it looks like after assembling it. Okay, let's start the process. So first step is just add some ice cubes or like crushed ice into the all these red containers. So that's gonna help to make your gummy candies firm in these molds. So that you don't need to put it in the fridge, not in the freezer. Just put ice cubes or crushed ice in it. And here we got the super simple ingredients for making our gummy candies. So I am adding 3 to 4 tablespoons of gelatin and a half cup of any juice you would like and a tablespoon of honey. That's it. These are the 3 simple ingredients that we need to put in the heating pot, and after that just stir a little bit just to mix everything so well. So like gelatin, honey, mix all together and there should be no lump in it. If you want to make it like a more colorful, you can add some colors in it, like red color, like orange color, any color you would like. So I am adding all the mixture in like few shapes. So first I'm adding some mixture in the star shape because that is my favorite shape, and after that I'm adding some mixture into the worm shape because this is also one of my favorite shape. So I really love to eat gummy jellies, but when it's time to make it at home, so this is really fun thing because you can do it at home, and you can also do this thing with your kids because it's really fun to do that. So I am adding a little bit of mixture in all molds so I can see all the shapes after making it. So if you want to make more things, you can again add some more mixture into the heating bowl, and then you can heat them up, mix them up, and after that you just need to put them into the gummy jelly molds. So I just waited for few minutes and they are all cooled down, and I'm just gonna take them out of the mold, and they are all firm ready to eat, and I am just so impressed with their making process. It was so simple and very quick. Like within 10 minutes I just made these gummies candies at home. You can also try different recipes, but I just tried like this basic recipe, like super simple recipe, to make it more easy and simple for you guys. So the price for this one is only 1550 rupees. So I will add some links there. You can go in my description and check the links to buy your own one. So I just take everything out of the mold. So these look so yummy and so squishy. These are my favorite ones. So I would love to make them every day from now on. The recipe and process was so simple and so easy. How about you guys? If you like this or not, please give this video a big thumbs up. I will see you guys in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.